Minna no Nihongo Lesson 14 Part 1 Vocab. First, sukemasu, turn on. Denki o sukemasu, I turn on the light. Second, keshimasu, turn off. Terebi o keshimasu, I turn off the television. Third, akimasu, open. Doa o akimasu, I open the door. Fourth, shimemasu, close, shut. Mado o shimemasu, I close the window. Fifth, isogimasu, hurry. Isoide basu ni notta, I catch the bus in a hurry. Sixth, machimasu, wait. Basu o machimasu, to wait for the bus. Seventh, mochimasu, to hold, to have. Kasa o mochimasu, to carry an umbrella. Eighth, torimasu, take, pass. Sashin o torimasu, to click a picture. 9. Tetsu daimasu, help with a task. Chotto tetsudatte kuremasen ka? Excuse me, could you please help me? 10. Yobimasu, call. Sabishiku natta kara tomodachi o yobimashita. I got lonely, so I called my friend. Grammar point first. Verb groups. Verbs are classified into 3 groups depending on how they are conjuncted. First, group first verbs. In all verbs of this group, the last sound of the mass form is from the E column of the syllabary chart. Example, kakimasu write, nomimasu drink. Second, group second verb. In most verbs of this group, the last sound of the mass form is from the A column. Example, tabemasu, eat, and misemasu, show. But in some verbs, it is a sound from the E column. Example, mimasu, see. Third, group third verbs. Verbs of this group include shimasu and action denoting noun plus shimasu as well as kimasu.